there is no better game than cricket, yaar.
Yes, you are right. But now I am feeling hungry. So let's go for the lunch. Yeah, let's go. Oh no, I am not.
What happened? What happened? What happened? Salandra, what happened? What happened, Salandra? What should I do now? Salandra, what happened? Salandra, God, please help me.
What happened?
Please see.
Let's take him to hospital. Come on, fast.
Please continue high quality chest compressions.
Are you Shailen's brother?
No, man, I'm his friend. His brother and other family members are on the way.
Okay. Actually, I had to inform you that when Shailendra came, his condition was not good. He was in a very serious situation. His heart was not beating. He was very serious and very critical. Our team tried their best, but we could not save him. We are really sorry.
Oh God, what else I could have done to save my friend's Salandra life?
Sudden cardiac arrest can happen to any person, anywhere, at any time. Majority of cardiac arrests occur at home and witnessed in 85% of cases. Time to treatment is critical when considering the chances of survival for a sudden cardiac arrest victim. 95% of those who experience sudden cardiac arrest die because they do not receive life-saving CPR and defibrillation within 4 to 6 minutes before brain death starts to occur. In India, most people do not know how to respond when someone collapses suddenly. Every minute delay in CPR would decrease the survival by 17%.
Each step of BLS like assessment, calling for help, rescue breathing, chest compressions and use of AED is supposed to be executed in a defined way and a sequence. Each step has to be performed within a time frame to ensure the CPR is high quality and effective.
Oh no, I am not.
What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm calling 112. Hello? My friend has collapsed in Vrindavan Colony playground. Please come. What happened? What happened? Salandra? What happened?
Coming through. Please stand back, sir. We'll take care of him. Hey, are you listening to me? Can you hear me? He's not responding. There's no circumstantial evidence of any drug abuse or poisoning. He's not breathing. There's no pulse. Start CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. AED is analyzing rhythm. Let's switch positions. AED has advised shock. Stay clear.
Clear.
Shock delivered. Resume CPR.
1.
AED is analyzing rhythm. AED has not advised shock.
There is pulse. He's breathing.
Let's shift him to the ambulance.
Are you Shailen's brother?
No, man, I'm his friend. His brother and other family members are on the way.
Okay. Congratulations, we could revive him.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, he had a cardiac arrest and he was very critical when he came. But your chest compressions and your timely interventions saved his life.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for saving my friend's life. Thanks a lot, man.
CPR skills include identification of an arrest situation, calling for help or activation of the existing system, providing high quality chest compressions and rescue breathing, using the defibrillator as and when made available, delivering the shock if required, followed by continued CPR without wasting time. One may encounter sudden cardiac arrest situations either within a hospital setting or out of the hospital setting. If it is an in-hospital cardiac arrest scenario, a pre-identified team like Code Blue team or Rapid Response team may be called immediately. People around the victim may be recruited for out of the hospital setting. This is known as activating the emergency response. The provider is expected to prepare himself or herself according to the area of one's work requirements. Irrespective of the scenario, the important step is calling for help to get an AED to reverse the possible rhythm abnormality. This module has been specially designed and serves as a foundation module for imparting necessary knowledge and skills of basic life support. It consists of series of well-designed self-explanatory videos followed by skill demonstration and hands-on training. The Basic Life Support Foundation course or Sanjeevani module can be taken by medical and paramedical personnel, medical and nursing students, and non-medical persons also. Those who wish to take BLS provider course that includes written test, assessment of CPR skills, and formal certification may contact course director or register themselves for any upcoming course on website www.iapalsbls.org.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12.